coming into the showroom is fantastic because you've got the modern side, you've got the traditional side, and clients can see every style of cabinet that they could possibly want. The little door carousel is fabulous. It saves my clients time coming in and being able to see every little detail.
We build high-end custom homes. We like to have team members, and we think that Holland is a good member of our team. And we like bringing our clients here, and they're able to see what the finished product looks like, where it's made.
I like to show people exactly how the cabinets are built. Some of our clients definitely know what they want, and some don't. I actually have better time with the ones that don't. It's really great when you're at the showroom and at the shop, you can see exactly what we do, how we do it, so we get to have those conversations.
You know, them getting their clients that ultimately become our clients into our showroom, into our shop, seeing where we build stuff. We can use our showroom as an extension of their showrooms. You know, we can give them a lot of educational experience that's not available at another competitors.
It's very beneficial to have the showroom at our disposal, really. Having them come in and actually see and feel. For a lot of people, that really makes it.
Especially with the details, being able to show them what does an inset door look like versus something that's on top, so they can see, touch, feel. Even the construction of the pieces, they can look and see how things operate, look at the hinges, see how a panel is on a dishwasher or a fridge, and they can understand it in a way that I can't explain it just by looking, at a photo.
I want to get people in here. You want to see it, touch it, feel it. Everybody loves the smell of wood. I mean, it's great to be in a functioning wood shop. I embrace it with open arms.